In this video, we'll take a look at the Neosou backpack mount for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It looks very similar to the DJI branded backpack mount for the Pocket 3. We'll test it out. It's around the same price. Personally, I'm not a big fan of the backpack mount, especially for walking videos. And you'll see later on in this video what I'm talking about. I'm going to mount the Osmo Pocket 3 into the backpack mount frame. So I just take the Pocket 3 like this, and it goes in just like this. So it fits in snugly. I haven't closed it yet. I haven't sealed it, but you can see there's room for the buttons, the LCD screen, and I have my DJI extended battery, the Osmo Pocket 3 extended battery. And here on the back side, I close the frame just like that. And then you can take this lever, make sure it latches on here, and then just snap it in and close it in place. So that's how the Osmo Pocket 3 gets clipped in or gets locked into the frame. Usually before attaching the frame of the mount to the strap portion and screwing it in, you usually want to put this and attach it to your backpack. It'll just make it easier getting everything locked in place. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to attach this base to my backpack strap right here. It's Velcro, just like that. So it's pretty easy to get on. So I'll just put it like this and get it in like this. And I feel like it's a good snug. This is a pretty wide backpack strap. It's about 2 inches and it fits, but I feel like if I had a thinner backpack strap, then I would be a little bit more confident in this mount not falling off, but it looks pretty good. But I still have a lot of leeway on this Velcro part of the strap, as you can see here. So there's still a lot of space, so you got to be careful of not having a backpack strap that's too wide if you're using one of these mounts, but I think this is pretty good. So now I'm just going to mount and screw this in. Okay, so now I have the mount and the Osmo Pocket 3 screwed in, so you can see how it looks here. One thing I don't like about this Osmo Pocket 3 is how far it's away from my backpack strap. It's quite far, this Neosou brand, and it kind of looks quite awkward. So if you're doing walking videos or POV videos, I prefer just holding the Osmo Pocket 3 just like this, or even on the side of my legs where my arms are hanging, and just point the camera or the Osmo Pocket 3 towards my point of view, which I like better. But let's see how this backpack mount works while I'm walking around. Jesus, it's hot. To record while I'm using the Osmo Pocket 3 on the backpack mount, it's easier to use the DJI Mimo app. It's just a little bit difficult adjusting or pressing the button unless there's someone in front of you doing it for you. So this is the DJI Mimo app, and I've already started recording. And this is the footage of the Osmo Pocket 3 while I'm walking around, and the stabilization. So regarding being hands-free, it's pretty good, the DJI backpack mount or the Neosou brand. So personally, while I was walking around with the mount and recording, I kind of noticed sometimes when I'm taking a step, my shoulder kind of like jerks or the mount goes up and down. You guys be the judge of the footage that you just saw regarding the stabilization. But as I stated earlier, I prefer just walking around with the Osmo Pocket 3 in the hand to do POV walking tours. It just makes it easier, especially if you need to pan around, pan up to the sunset or sunrise, or pan down if you're looking down from a bridge. It just makes it easier. Personally, I wouldn't recommend the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 backpack mount, either the aftermarket or the DJI brand. It's freaking hot here. I'm in Bangkok right now. It's like 35 degrees Celsius or something. yeah, I'm getting smoked by the sun, and yeah, then the mosquitoes will come pretty soon. But anyways, other than that, if you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. And as always, live easy, sleep breezy, and stay lovely.